Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is what is digital ecosystem? Digital ecosystem is a complex network of stakeholders that connect online and interact digitally in a way that we create value for all. Every digital ecosystem extends across multiple industries, customers, competitors, business partners through the lens of which a single industry are far less able to recognize the new types of customers, competitors, and business partners they will need to interact as their sector increasingly goes digital. The specter of digital ecosystem supplanting those traditional industries as the organizing construct has played out in the industry after industry, especially those whose product or services can be fully digitalized. The digital ecosystem in US, the 20th century industry of companies that produce paper roadmap was a lucrative one for companies like Thomas Brothers, Rand McNally, etc. Digital company MapQuest and others saw roadmaps not a paper product but rather a digital ecosystem of needs that people have for information and booking services when they are on the go. The last 2 decades with new breed of mapping company has turned the business into a much larger ecosystem than the one could have imagined when they incorporated their company in way back 1870s. With the launches of Google Maps in 2005 and the iPhone in 2007, Google on its head. Instead of getting money from consumer looking to buy maps, Google collected revenue from businesses that wanted to set out their location to choose those customers. And it was estimated in 2015 that it was it will grow to nearly 30 billion US dollar by 2020 and 40 billion market size by 2024. The traditional strategy thinking relies on command and control with established metrics and layers and decision makings that can make changes as slow as steering a tanker ship. In contrast, in world of ecosystem, the company surrenders some control so that it can play with their stakeholders in a decentralized network in an environment that rewards resiliency, sensing changes in rapidly shifting market and responding according. The word digital strategy stands for plan that plan or prepares to achieve something. Business strategy. However, it was different definition available in other sectors. Other Most of the people contemplate digital strategy by deploying some softwares like AI, ML, or IoT. That's where I think most of the digital strategies fail because their prevalence is not rooted in the right mindset. Explain some of the industry expert that environment is changing every single day. In order to execute those ideas and plans, you have to continuously adopt. That is where digital strategy or plan to adopt to those changes come into place. This digital strategy pivotal requirement to gain leadership and that maintain those strategy and especially digital strategy becomes very important because we are functioning in the middle of a pandemic era now where there was a pre-pandemic era there will also be a post-pandemic era. The use of technology to define the process and yield those results for yourself and for your client will only increase in the post pandemic era. This is the pandemic era. This is the right time to start putting a digital strategy in place. Some surveys suggest there were three kinds of outcomes: a win for company that had already embraced digital technology, a reality check for those that are still adopting, and wake up call for those who had not yet started the industry journey. 94% of the industry leaders who took part in the survey conducted by some experts that the industrial internet of things had helped them keep their operation running during those crises. Company those industry implementation in more mature report stronger ability to respond to a crisis. That is the graph you can see in increasing maturity of industry implementation, and that is the average share of customer interaction that are digital, global, Asia Pacific, Europe, and North America. The crisis has accelerated the digital customer interaction by several years. The massive challenges for our industry have been very common. For IoT, you have to have the hardware pieces of it. We are majorly rely on our neighbors for that, and once the supply chain disruption hit, the entire ecosystem came to a standstill. Another report suggested that supply chain challenges, six things that can help in bettering operation in the supply. Create transparency on multi-tier supply chain by establishing a list of critical components, determining the origin of supply and identifying those alternative resources. Estimate available inventory along the value chain, including spare parts and other after-sale stock. Assess those realistic final customer demand and respond to shortage buying behavior of the customer. Optimize those production and distribution capacity to ensure employee safety with supplying personal protective equipment and engaging with communication team to share infection risk level and work from home option. Next, identifying and secure those logistic capacity, estimating those capacity and accelerating where possible, and being flexible on transportation mode when required. Manage cash and net working capital by running those stress tests to understand where supply chain issues will start to cause a financial impact. Thank you.